Hi everybody, Roy here. I'm in Bergamo, Italy. I'm actually doing a conference. I was invited to give a talk with Austin and Terry Guen about Millennium Park and Piet Oudolf. He's going to be at our roundtables. So I'm very excited to talk about plant communities development of Millennium Park. But more exciting, I'm here with Mauro at his nursery. Mauro, tell me where you're located by Bergamo, what you do, and these wonderful container plants you're doing.
All right, thank you. We are in Brescia, in the land of Franciacorta, land of wine, but we decided to grow more than 30 years ago perennial and grasses, more or less. And we're specializing in plant in bigger pots too. So you can see here some of our grasses, like Stipa tenuissima in this case, in this bigger pot.
Oh, looks beautiful.
Fantastic for the use of in patios, or miscanthus behind me. But if you have time, we can go in other part of the nursery. I can show you others
Okay.
and explain what we do.
Well, let's take a walk now and take a look at some of the other containers that used for a lot of patio. There's patios everywhere. Since I've been here, I see nothing but patios. So let's take a look at the pots. Okay, we've taken a walk with Mauro. Now we're in the larger containers of Panica. Mauro, tell me about this. Tell me about these.
Yeah, we have a different size of pots. It depends on the quality of plant and how much soil they need. Here we have a Panicum virgatum Heligerhain. We talked this morning with you, Roy. It's a great variety, very strong leaf and gray. But we have other ones that I show you now.
Let's take a look.
I love this one too. This is a Cheyenne Sky.
Which one was that? I couldn't hear you.
Cheyenne Sky.
Cheyenne Sky. Oh, it's beautiful.
This is green, and in the top it became red. So if you see now with the light, is burn the top of the leaves.
And it's very vertical. Has
Yeah,
a nice
very
vertical
vertical
look.
and short than
And
others. So it's
and again,
interesting.
this is a great plant for, you're all great for patio usage here, and the larger containers.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely.
It's very good.
And if we continue, there's this obviously many of all. For sure, do you know is heavy metal? Yes.
This is
always
heavy
very
metal?
straight.
Okay.
Yeah, this is heavy metal. It's a part of the red, but is almost all blue.
How many grass choices do you think you have here in large containers?
Probably more than 100 varieties.
100 varieties of different grasses in the larger size container.
Yes.
That's very good.
Because our normal size pot is 2 liter and a half, and we make a bigger number. But some selection we do only in bigger pots, just for someone that wants something different or found just last things to add in their garden or patio.
And then you can make nice combinations with that number of plants. That's a lot of choice.
Yeah, that's a lot of choice. You see around here too, if you want. There's Miscanthus, Eragrostis, and Cesleria, Sporobolus, and Cortaderia. So I think
what's the tall one?
The tall one is a Sporobolus. It's American native, I think. Sporobolus ricti.
Oh, right. I've never seen it that big.
Yeah.
Now, I've grown that, but I've never seen it that large by us.
I think it's really interesting. It's not understand plant at the moment here, but I think it's a great future because part evergreen, the great volume.
That's 7 feet tall in blue.
Yeah. I'm 1.80 meters. So
wow, that is super. Yeah, I've never seen it that large. It's Brabus rhydi.
Yeah, that's here grow very well.
Okay, well, I tell you what, let's take a walk into your nursery, look at some of the perennials you're doing, and
for sure,
and see what we can come up with. Thanks. Well, we couldn't quite get out of the container section yet of the large grasses. Mauro pointed out the beautiful colors in the background as we were leaving. I said, that's spectacular.
Yeah, it's incredible. I think grasses has the power to catch up the light. So during the day you pass here and change hour by hour. Now is perfect time to see all the different spikelets that take all these light.
Right. And you've got people coming out here to kind of walk around. It looks like there's a group here just to pick and select plants for their projects.
Yeah, absolutely. This area for us is important, like a showroom, and after obviously we use for division when we need for growing, but first of all, born to be a showroom to explain person the volume and the characteristic. Is a more emotional area of the nursery, I think.
Good. So it's educational.
Yeah, absolutely.
You're helping people out. Okay, let's head over to the